Hello, dear people, my dear friends. It's so good to be here again. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been an awesome and exciting time to be here. And of course, remember that Tinubu is in a great mess right now because he's been accused of money tax invasion and the likes. And you know what he said? Tinubu boasted that Magu would protect him, says Alpha Beta XMD. Yes, that is what he says. Tinubu says that Magu would protect him. I don't know when, but it is a very interesting one because if you follow that story critically well, you see how Tinubu he was involved in that tax invasion and so many things, diversion of funds and the like. You will see it right there. And today and right now, he has also been alleged that of saying that Magu would protect him. But we all know that Magu too has been suspended as the uh, EFCC chairman. So we really do not know what the Alpha Beta XMD is talking about, but let us see exactly what all this means. But before then, guys, if you have not subscribed, please do, and also give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified anytime we drop a new video. Okay, guys, without further ado, let us dive right in and see how Tinubu has messed up and how he has said all of this. A former managing director of Alpha Beta Consulting, Mr. Oladapo Okpara, has sued the company, a former governor of Lagos State, Bola Tinubu, and the current managing director of the firm, Akin Doherty, before a Lagos State High Court, Igbosere. In the writ of summons marked LD 7330GCNW/2020, Okpara asked the respondents to appear within 42 days or judgment may be given in their absence. Akpara had, in a petition addressed to the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, accused the company of 100 billion naira fraud, but 2 years after, the EFCC had yet to take any action. In a statement of claim, the former Alpha Beta boss said Tinubu boasted that the then acting chairman of the EFCC, Mr. Ibrahim Magu, would protect him. He wrote, the second defendant, Bola Tinubu, also warned the claimant not to even think of exposing his involvement in the financial affairs of the first defendant. Alpha Beta to the EFCC as the then acting EFCC chairman, Ibrahim Magu, will always protect him, says Tinubu. Akbara also narrated how Alpha Beta was formed in 2002 when Tinubu was still the governor. The claimant said he was the one who came up with the idea of a consulting firm helping the state government to track and reconcile taxes. Okpara said Tinubu accepted the proposal but gave many conditions, including that his own people would own 17% stakes in the company. The former Alpha Beta boss said Tinubu nominated Adegboyega Oyetola and the one Olumide Ogumola. He stated the claimant averred that following the presentation of his proposal to the Lagos State government, the second defendant, Tinubu, who was at that time the governor of Lagos State, demanded that 70% equity interest in the project be assigned to a certain Olumide Ogumola before the second defendant will approve the project. The claimant avers that he then met the said Olumide Ogumola, who he had never met before, and it was agreed that a limited liability company be incorporated in which the claimant will hold 30% shares while Olumide Ogumola and his partner will hold 70% of the shares of the company. The claimant avers that following the agreement alluded to above, Alpha Beta Consulting Limited was incorporated in 2002 with the following shareholders: Dapo Akpara 30%, Olumide Ogumola 40%, and Adegboyega Oyetola 30%. He said Tinubu later directed that Oyetola's share be transferred to one Tunde Badejo. Akpara stated that Tinubu controlled the company, which was receiving 10% of the tax collected on behalf of the state. He said due to the technological innovation that was deployed by him, the internally generated revenue of the state grew from 10 billion naira per annum in 2002 to 300 billion naira in 2019. The claimant stated that in 2010 or thereabout, Tinubu directed that the incorporation structure of the Alpha Beta Consulting Limited be changed from a limited liability company to a limited liability partnership under a newly promulgated law in Lagos State. He said the aim of the move was to shield Tinubu's involvement from public scrutiny. Olumide Ogunmola was named the managing partner of the newly transformed company, while Akpara became deputy managing partner. The claimant said in 2014, Tinubu asked Ogunmola to step aside while he was named managing partner. Akpara said as the head of the company, he began looking into his finances and he made many startling discoveries such as mysterious transfers of over 20 billion naira in different currencies to several companies, including payment of 1 billion naira to Vintage Press, publishers of The Nation newspaper, and Lagoon Press Limited, publishers of National Life newspaper. The former Alpha Beta boss said he realized that all the payments were sanctioned by the partner nominated by Tinubu and they were done without his knowledge, contrary to the terms of their partnership. He stated a 550 million naira payment to Ocean Trust Limited, via payment instruction dated 15th of May 2018, and 850 million naira payment to Ocean Trust Limited via payment instruction dated 14th of March 2015. 1 billion naira in Afka Printing Press together with Vintage Press Limited and Lagoon Press Limited in October 2017. The claimant said 960 million naira was spent on purchasing HITV's 300 million shares. Akpara stated that Tinubu was furious that he was looking into the company's finances and ordered that he be demoted to deputy managing director partner. He said he refused to obey this order and this led to feud between both of them. The former Alpha Beta boss said he was forcefully removed from office while Tinubu's former commissioner for finance, Dohete, was named the new head of the company. He said since his illegal removal, he had been denied of his dividends as a founding partner of the company and asked the court to order full payment of his entitlement. It is a serious case right now because this is really getting out of hand. And, it is serious because so many people have also started calling out Tinubu regarding this very case, and hope he settles it amicably and as quickly as he can as a elder statesman. Anyway, guys, I'll stop here. What do you think about all of these fraud cases and allegations against the leader of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Ahmed Tinubu? Please drop it in the comment section and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for being here. Do have a pleasant time. Bye.